Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. Alright, so the kind folks out at RidRed sent me a set of 5 of these rollerblade wheels that I can install on my new office chair here. Actually, this is my wife's office chair. She's already hating the wheels that come on it. The chair is great. She loves it. Do a review on that pretty soon. But these wheels have to go. And so timing couldn't have been better for RidRed to send me this pack of 5 that I'm going to show you how to install right now. I don't really need the hammer, but it's a little bit easier to get the old wheels off with the hammer, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So we're going to start with this one right here. You'll see it comes off super easy like that. You grab one of the wheels, and before we do, let's take a quick look up close and personal on this now, shall we? So again, we have, this is a clear with the black on the inside rollerblade wheel. Really well constructed. This is pretty heavy steel here. So you see that angle right there. You can see the bearings inside. Really nice smooth movement in here. They spin around quite nicely. Anyway, really simple. You just push them on here, right here, until it's on, and that's it. Let me quickly go around and I'll replace the other 4. In fact, we didn't really need the hammer, as you saw here. It comes off pretty easy. So there we go. Now we have all 5 wheels installed. I'm going to flip this chair over, put it back on its wheels, and show you how nice it rolls on the floor. All right, there you go. You can see it rolls around nice and easy on the floor, no problem at all. So much better than the original wheels that it came with.